Do you want to know how you can log into your BC.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BC.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for BC.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of bc.game. You can see that you can play games and earn rewards. So there are a lot of games to play through and you can win a lot of rewards through it. Go ahead and click sign in if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up and create a bc.game or bc.ai account. So as we already have an account, we will click sign in. Now what we need to do is log in using email address or phone number, or there are options directly to log in from these options. So if you have any one of these, you can directly log in with these, or else you can log in using your email address or phone number. So if you want to write down your email address and phone number, go ahead and type on this box, write down your email or your phone number, then write down your login password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your bc.ai or bc.game account. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this I button. And if you have in case forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have a bc.game account yet, go ahead and click create account and you can start playing games and earning money. This was a video on how you can log into bc.game or bc.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.